Just another day on our generic ocean beach vacation.
Remember, the spoon's warm, the food's ready. You wanna try again?
Mama.
You're doing it. Nice work. Keep going. Cheese, yeah.
QRSTUV.
River, should we strike camp?
Yeah.
Morning day 5, it was Carly's turn to trail run. River and I packed up camp slowly and filled water for the day, after which we hiked to a creek by the ocean to throw sticks in the water and take in the wonder of the place before heading south toward the trailhead, toward home, towards industry, the 9 to 5, the grind, our real jobs. The smell of the ocean, fresh green kelp on black pebbled sand, flanked by the green coastal mountains to the west. My son throws stones in Big Creek, content to play in this world, and the pierce of the cold northern Pacific wind on my face never felt so right in this moment.
We are leaving the valley we camped in. It's not as windy today. It's much warmer, probably around 70 degrees right now, honestly. Maybe a little cooler. Mama's already done 10 miles of trail running today on the northern segment of the route, and now we're walking south for the next couple days to go home.
River's having a good time. He likes walking.
You like backpacking, River?
He likes backpacking.
Does River like backpacking? Are we getting sleepy, River? Yeah? What do you see out there? What do you see? Agua.
Just a boy and his dad taking a walk on the ocean. Getting a little help when you fall down.
Alright, we're gonna keep going. Look over there, there's the seal. See it? Look, seal. It lives in the ocean.
Oh, we love backpacking. More?
The last night of the trip, the gusty wind came up again like it does in April on the Lost Coast. We found a place protected by wind and a narrow canyon flanked by trees. Home on trail, for one last night at least.
The raisins are in your poop.
River, do you remember all the raisins you ate? They're all right there. Those are all the raisins.
Sausage with tortilla?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try.
No.
What? No what?
River, do you like sausage?
No.
You don't like sausage. Do you like tortilla and sausage?
No.
No. Wait.
Okay. Here's the game. Here's the game. How long can the Lucy lantern stay on my head? Oh, is it that much fun? Oh, glasses, I can't see.
Oh
Oh no.
no! Oh
Oh man.
no!
Oh no. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man.
Glasses.
Oh, where's my glasses, River? I can't see.
I moved them so I thought you were going to keep playing.
Are we gonna keep playing?
No, Papa.
River, do you want more?
No.
Your mouth is full of cracker. Eat what's in your mouth. Eat what's in your mouth.
Ah.
Did you eat that whole cracker?
Ah.
Okay. Let's get you some more.
Dada. Dada.
All right, River. Here's some more cracker.
Mama.
Just River love cracker.
Ah.
Good morning, River. How was it?
Eat or drink?
Did you like the raisins, River? Are the raisins good?
Bite?
Mama.
Oh, Mama's turn. Thanks.
Do you want some more, River? Do you want to help with the coffee?
Yeah. Okay.
We're pressing down. Now you try. Like this. River, how are you doing this morning? Oh no. Oh man. Oh man.
You got it.
Morning, day 6. There's a light breeze. It's my turn to trail run. After picking up the camp a bit and packing bags, I hit the trail, which starts with a steep 1,000 foot per mile climb up the coastal mountains. After 2 miles, I turn around at the place where the vegetation has taken back the trail. The expanse of the vast blue Pacific Ocean is breathtaking. I switch back down the trail to camp, and we start our final backpack home.
Dada.
Yeah, let's guess. I'm thinking we have 10 pounds of diapers.
These are dirty in the bag.
Let's call it 8 pounds even.
8 pounds.
Wait.
Buddy.
Good job. Glitchin Creek crossing. Baby's napping. One chance at this. Have to succeed. River, what's Mama doing?
It's my favorite creek crossing. Hi! Feels good to get out after a good nap. Now we're just enjoying life. Good one, River.
Did you just fall down?
So fast! He's been thinking a lot about his car. He's looking forward to reading his book. But yeah, they're in his car. But first we're gonna finish our trail. We're gonna walk on the sand here. Walk together. Yeah. This is our trail. Yeah, walking on this beach is our trail. Yes, this is it.
Black Sands Beach Trailhead National Conservation Area. What do you think about that, River?
Let's get another bite of oats, and then you can have some biscuit. Yeah, first oats, and then biscuit.
River, are you enjoying your cabin experience? Are you enjoying our peaceful dinner by the fire?
Dada.
Welcome home. So excited to see you.
In his car seat.
You're such a good trail runner. Oh, look at you.
Hi.
Look at you in the redwoods.
Hi. You're gonna be in your car seat for hours. You wanna be in there right now? You silly guy.